Wel, Mr Dai Davies wrth gwrs, siaraddu heddi dych chi yn y cynhadledd?
Wel, ni'n hapus iawn, fi'n credu gyda ni croesdoriad da o bobl o wahanol gefndir a wahanol stori gyda'n ddweud. Ond pawb yn rhoi'r neges yn y diwedd yn gweud bod nhw'n falch bod nhw yn mewn amaethyddiaeth yn dyddiau yma.
A digon o siaradwyr, allwch chi sôn ychydig am yr ymrywiaeth oedd i gael yma heddi?
Wel, oedd yr ymrywiaeth, oedd y neges yn dod o Australia ynglyn â'r gwaith gwyddonol o'n nhw'n wneud yn Australia ar y gene development a DNA identification a pethau fel ni, rhywbeth sy'n bwysig iawn, a falle rhywbeth bydd yn gwynebu ni yng Nghymru hefyd. A fi'n siŵr bod y profiad maen nhw'n cael yn Australia fydd e o fantes i ni yn y dyfodol hefyd. Wrth gwrs, o'ch chi'n cael hefyd dau fachgen oedd wedi ennill ysgoloriaeth Hybu Cig Cymru wedi bod yn De America, wedi bod yn Seland Newydd ac yn Australia, a o'n nhw'n gallu rhoi profiad, a fi'n credu o'n nhw'n gallu clymu lan efo'r gynulleidfa'n rhwydd iawn achos oedd ei gweithio mewn amaethyddiaeth. O'n i'n hapus iawn fel oedd y cynhadledd wedi mynd, a fi'n credu bod ni wedi cael croesdariad da o wybodaeth.
A Adam Henson yn cloi, siaradwr da iawn a yn keen iawn lle?
Wel, siaradwr gwych yn dweud, chymryd. A ddiwedd cynhadledd, mae wastad yn broblem i godi ysbryd bobl, ond gwnaeth gwaith ni yn rhwydd iawn, yn naturiol iawn, a oedd e'n rhoi egni mewn i'r stori, a oedd yna basiwn yn beth oedd e'n dweud, a'r ffaith bod e am fod yn ffermwyr, bod e'n gweld bod e'n mynd positif yn ffermwyr, a bod rhywbeth da dyn ni ddisgwyl mlaen at y dyfodol.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi, diwrnod da.
Wel, diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.
So Adam, what did you think of today's HCC conference?
I think the conference has been inspiring, incredibly informative. It's had some wonderful speakers from all over the world, and I think the people who have been here have asked some searching questions that have been very, very well answered. I've been incredibly warmly welcomed and well received, and the people here are very, very friendly, and I've really enjoyed being here. And actually, I think Wales is doing a huge amount in the red meat industry to take things forwards and onwards and upwards, which is great news.
And your speech was very interesting. What was your main message from that?
I think my message was that we need to be excited about the future. I think we need to really consider ourselves in agriculture as a brand, and we need to sort of set ourselves aside and really try and push ourselves as sort of a sexy, exciting industry to be in for young people to join us, but also to be able to hook the consumer. And I think HCC and other people are realising that, you know, the way we're marketing nowadays, using the web, using branding, using professional marketeers, is what we need to be thinking about in agriculture.
Everything is quite downbeat at the moment in Wales with the glass tier and the cap reform and so on. Do you think that's going to change? Do you think there's going to be a new enthusiasm, hopefully?
I think so. Agricultural colleges are full again. There's a lot of young people wanting to get into farming. I think there's some amazing opportunities out there. You know, the way the red meat industry is going, the sales are going very well. There's a huge demand from across the world and particularly into Europe. And so I think there's some opportunities out there. Farmers are wonderful at solving problems and coming up with good solutions. They do that from the moment they wake up to the moment they go to bed. And legislation and law has changed many times before, and we've managed to embrace it and make the most of it. And I can't see that being a problem again.
Well, thank you very much for an interesting talk, and good luck in the future.
Thank you very much.